In this video I'm going to show you how to set up HP DeskJet 2827e printer with the Windows laptop using a printer USB cable. First step is to switch on the printer and go to the back side of the printer. At the back of the printer you will see there is an option to connect the cable. Look at this end and plug it in here. Now take the other end and connect it with the USB port of your laptop or MacBook. Automatically it should detect the printer. Let's do the setup. Go to the settings, click on the setting icon. On the setting icon, click on the Bluetooth and devices and then look for the printers and scanners option. Select it. Automatically your printer will show up here because it is connected using the wire. If you click on it, it will display HP DeskJet 2827 series USB. And here we can start using it for printing and scanning. To do the scanning, click on the Open Scanner. It will open the scanning window. If you don't have that, you can download it from the Microsoft Store. That is the Windows Scan app, and it will show up your printer here, and then we can start using it for scanning. So right now I'm just going to close it. For the printing, you can scroll down and select any document you want to print. That's the setup of the printer with Windows laptop using a USB cable. Thanks for watching.